Peace Assembly.
Let me say
The festival of Eid is known in Singapore as Hari Raya Idul Fitri or Hari Raya Puasa. Who celebrates Hari Raya Puasa? Idul Hari Raya Puasa is a very important occasion celebrated by Muslims all over the world. On what day is it celebrated? This year, Hari Raya Puasa starts on the 3rd May. But this isn't the same each year. We'll find out more about why not later in the segment. What does Hari Raya Puasa mean? Hari Raya is Malay for a day of celebration. Puasa means fasting. So Hari Raya Puasa means day of celebrating to end fasting.
to start.
What is fasting? Fasting can take different forms for different cultures and religions. For example, you may know that Christians stop eating certain types of food for Lent. How do Muslims fast? Muslims stop eating and drinking from when the sun goes up to when the sun goes down for 1 month each year, which is the holy month of Ramadan. Muslims are encouraged to eat a nourishing young meal called sahur before fasting, so they can have enough energy for the day. At dusk, the fasting worker where you sit on then a large evening meal called iftar is served. Do children fast? Children do not have to fast all month until they are teenagers.
Why do Muslims fast?
Going without food and water for a whole day is very difficult. This hardship is what Ramadan is about. It helps Muslims appreciate how lucky they are to have enough food to eat every day. It reminds them that others are not so lucky. Another way of helping others is a Ramadan duty called zakat. Zakat is giving money to the poor. Usually, children who do not fast give their money to the poor instead. Thinking of others is part of the Ramadan spirit. Pause for a moment and reflect with your class. Can you think of any ways you can show care for others during this time or what you are grateful for? At Dover we have lots of people who celebrate Hari Raya. Let's go have a chat with our wonderful teaching assistants. What do you look forward to the most about the celebration Hari Raya?
During Hari Raya, the most things that I'm looking forward is able to meet together with families, friends and relatives. There's lots of open houses during the particular day. So we are able to get together to enjoy lots of different food.
What do you do in the morning after you wake up on the first day of Hari Raya?
Okay, on the first day of Hari Raya, usually in the morning, the woman will cook Hari Raya food in the kitchen, and the men, they will go out to the mosque and do a praying, a special Hari Raya praying. And then when the men come back, we already prepared the food on the table, so we will sit together and then we will eat together as a whole family.
Eid Mubarak.
Hey, hi, Kyra. And Mubarak. Who do you celebrate with during Hari Raya?
During Hari Raya, I celebrate with my family and my sibling. So what happened is we seek forgiveness from our parents, and then we will go to visit our closest family and relatives.
Hi, I understand that you celebrate with lots of delicious food in Hari Raya. What are some of the famous dishes that you?
Okay, for the special day on Hari Raya, the most that is a must. At home, we need to cook is like rendang, ketupat, lontong, and then like a few special cookies and a cake. That is our special food on Hari Raya. Oh, thank you, Maya. Yes, this is actually a baju kurung songke, a traditional costume when we wear it, especially on the Hari Raya. And then on that day, first day of Hari Raya, we need to wear a bit like shining and glamorous. Do you think my baju, my costume is pretty?
Eid Mubarak. These look interesting. Can you tell us a little bit about the green packets and what they do in your celebration? Who receives them?
Right, the green packet actually is like, Chinese New Year where you see the red packet, something similar. It's just that this is our custom, like every Idul Fitri, which is, the celebration. What we did, we give out this little packet as a symbol of blessing. Yeah? And at the same time, it's like a zakat, a little donation to the less fortunate family. But in our case, right, we'll give it to the elderly, those not working, maybe less fortunate family, and we also give to the young ones as a reward. Yeah? Like you did a good job, you've been fasting, like Christmas, if you good, you get a present, but in Idol Fitr, we give you a packet of money. There you go. Thank you. You're welcome.
I really understand that Hari Raya is a very special celebration for all of us. Can you explain what Hari Raya means in your family?
Okay. For me, special Hari Raya very special to me because I can gather with all my families and eat a lot of delicious foods. Yes. For Miss Liz, actually, this is the time, like you did a home run after 1 month of fasting. Finally, you ended with a celebration. And what we do, the very morning, family will pray, and then after that, we have special food waiting for us. So we celebrate the life, and it's also a time for seeking forgiveness. Once you do that.
In this day, I realize I can information from I get location is alright? Because it's the month of the end month of our Ramadan.
For myself, Hari Raya is special is the month
Yeah, you're in focus.
we're able to celebrate together with family and friends, eating with all those delicious food, and also be able to seek forgiveness for wrongdoings.
And so we want to wish all the Muslims
Selamat
Hari Raya!
Eid Mubarak. To you and your families. We have had a lot of fun discussing Hari Raya in our lessons. Have you heard of these celebrations before? Hari Raya Plaza is the name for the celebration of Eid al-Fitr in Singapore and Malaysia. They both meet the festival of breaking of the fast. Why does the day change? Each year, Hari Raya is celebrated on a different day. We know that Eid al-Fitr is here when we see a new crescent moon in the sky. Each month of the Islamic calendar begins with a new moon. When we see the new moon of the month of Shawwal, we know it is the first day of Eid. This year, that will be on Monday, 2nd of May. According to the Hijra calendar, Hari Raya Puasa falls on the first day of 10th month. The Hijra is a lunar calendar and the date Dates of which Hari Raya Puasa falls vary from year to year. Hari Raya Puasa should not be mistaken for the first day of the Islamic New Year. You know, the crescent moon is recognized as a symbol of the Islamic faith. Traditionally, Hari Raya begins at the sunset of the night of the first sight of the crescent moon.
How is it celebrated in Singapore? On the first morning of the celebration, many gather in local mosques or open air locations for special prayers called Salat al Eid and have a breakfast. Muslims put on their finest clothes for what will be their first daylight meal in a month, whilst there some Muslims will gifts, exchange gifts and greeting cards. Celebrations continue for 1 or 2 or maybe even 3 days. People wish each other Eid Mubarak, blessed Eid, or Eid said happy Eid. You celebrate it at home.
Here are some photos of Singapore's decorations. How is it celebrated around the world? Celebrations vary from country to country, but usually include gatherings to view the new moon, decorating homes, inside and out families, visit eating special foods, neighborhood parties, and wearing special new clothes. How is Hari Raya celebrated? Some Muslim families celebrate Eid al-Fitr by putting on new clothes. They enjoy sharing meals with family and friends. They prepare all different kinds of foods like samosas, pakoras, kebabs, and much, much more. Hari Raya is a time for Muslim people to thank Allah for the strength that He has given them to have self-control during Ramadan. It is a time to celebrate with family and friends. How is Hari Raya celebrated? Homes can be decorated with colorful decorations and lanterns. Muslims read their holy book, the Quran, and go to a mosque to pray. Muslims might visit their friends and families. Some families give greeting cards, and children may receive gifts of money, clothes, and toys. Some women and girls decorate their hands with mehendi patterns. Mehendi is made from crushed henna leaves mixed with all other liquids such as lemon juice, water, or tea. At DCIS. Here's a video about them. Hi, my name is Meher Hussain from Class 4SW. I am going to talk about Hari Raya. Hari Raya is also known as the Eid al-Fitr, which is a festival at the end of Ramadan. Muslims fast for 30 days. After 30 days, we celebrate for being good human beings. On Hari Raya, we made lots of yummy food and sweets for family and friends. Here, my mom is preparing rice pudding. Both delicious snacks and dinner are served for friends and family. There are pakoras, fruit chaat, curry, naan, and biryani. And tea is also prepared, served with my mom's famous rice pudding and my sister's yummy brown served with ice cream. Yummy! We dress up in beautiful clothes and wait for friends and family to come and visit us. Happy Hari Raya!
Good afternoon. Today we are going to teach you how to make sweet biscuits. For your ingredients, you will need sugar, eggs, and butter, flour, icing sugar, and some toppings.
The equipment that you'll need is a bowl, measuring cups, a whisk, baking sheet.
Add 250 grams of butter into the bowl. Add 140 grams of sugar into the bowl.
Mix the sugar and butter together.
Add 1 egg yolk into the mix.
And mix it.
You'll need to put a little bit of vanilla acid in the mix.
Add 300 grams of plain flour.
Try to mix all the ingredients, but try to not make a mess. At the end, your hand will make sure your hands are clean.
Your dough should look like this.
Salt straw shapes with the cookie. With the cookie. Cut out straw shapes with the cookie cutter.
This is what your cookies should look like. They don't have to be perfect or the same size.
Now we're going to put them in the oven.
Cook the cookies for 15 minutes.
But this is an adult's job, so leave it to the adult, and Miss Lisa is going to help us. Once the biscuits have cooled, you can use the icing sugar and sprinkles to decorate them.